So hello everyone. Today we are back with another episode of Python Linux commands. So let me share my screen quickly. I got this screenshot by mistake. So let's change it to record mode, and now we will start our new series of Linux commands. So we will learn what today? File searching and sorting, and it's actually assigned to us by our operating systems professor. And first step, we should locate files by name. We should be learning how to search files by their names. If in the folder, I have a my new folder in my Ubuntu, and that's why I will basically type this command. So let me quickly switch to my virtual machine. So here, if I go home directory, and if I open my new folder, I have a bunch of files, and among them I should locate file3.txt. So let's quickly do that. For that, we'll basically write file name and name of the file inside double commas. I don't know what to call it apart from that. File 3.txt, and if we press enter, it's mentioning file3.txt can be found in the my new folder inside the home directory. So indeed, it is in the home directory, and it's inside my new folder. Here you can see that exact file, and that's why our first step is complete. We could just write done. So the next step is searching files by file size. Now we should search files. Before moving on to the next step, I have another tip for locating a file, which is using the locate function. It is actually installed to my bash, and yeah, I just wrote file.txt, and it showed like a lot of file.txt inside my computer. Let's try to locate specific file inside my new folder. Let's write file 4.txt, and it should basically show where it's located. Here, according to Google, locate function works quickly than the find function. So that's it. We're done with the first step. The next one is searching by file size. For that, we'll be using actually find size plus some size of the file. I don't have file that's like larger than 1 KB. That's why I will include -1K files inside my new folder. For that, we will write my new folder and of course size. I did not misspell some words. Size equals, let's say, lesser than 1K. It could generate some files, not generate, could actually give me a list of files less than 1K. Here we got file3.txt, file1.txt, file5, file4, file.txt, file2.txt, a bunch of files basically that is in that range. So this step also complete. Let's write done to the next file, and if we basically write try solving the search by time, step 3, you should change the size to the m time. I actually have like already created files. I inside my documents folder. Here is funny.html, hello.html, hello.txt. It's basically created about 2 weeks ago. That's why I will give m time larger than that, 14 weeks. Documents m time plus let's say 14. Here we have, see, it's not that hard, created 14 days ago or more than that, or like by.txt inside documents folder, hello.txt inside hello.html, and let's do another operations inside this. Let's just now create a new file and ask for getting the file inside my new folder that has newly been created. Let's try this command. So we'll firstly touch inside my new folder. Sorry for that. Inside my new folder, let's just write what's sad.txt. And yeah, right now we got sad.txt inside my new folder. And let's just ask from terminal to bring files inside my new folder that has m time -1. My new folder, it is created, sad.txt, it is less than 1 day. It is indeed, we just created it, and now it's presenting that file, not like file2.txt, because it's created about, I guess 4 or 3 days ago. I don't actually remember that when it's created. That's why it's like actually new. So search by time, also done. Let's write again done to this step, and the next one is actually sort files by name, by size. Sorting files by size. Let's do this thing. Let's try to sort this folder by size. Let's first change directory to my new folder. And give ls, if I'm not mistaken, that's the command. Here, file.txt, file2.txt, file3, file4, file5, file.txt, set.txt. It is actually sorted from the largest size to the less size. And that's why this one is complete, but we will try some more sorting commands. So sort by modification time. Let's sort that file by modification time. ls 1t. I guess if I'm not mistaken it was like that. 1t, yeah. If we sort by that, it will just create just been updated files. Like modification time is for the set.txt is just about 2 or 3 minutes ago. That's why it's showing it on the top. File for.txt may be created before the after file 5, file 1, file 3.txt's. That's why it's sorting it by from the new time modification to the old time modification. So the next one is, let's write it by sort by name of files. ls here we have sort files by name. So file 1, file 3, file 2, file 4, file 5, file set.txt. Here we got sorted files by name in alphabetical order. And that's it. Actually, is the I think sort files by size one. I guess it is complete. Done. Let's check one more thing here. Yeah, it is actually the end of our steps. So now reflection part. What are the practical uses of searching for files by time or by size? You could actually first sort the files, then delete files like about which is created really a long time ago and not being used by you, like not open it, like that. And it's also useful for if we sort the files by name, we could easily locate some and it could be easy for us to locate some files. And how does sorting files help in management? Of course, like for sorting files in file management could be really useful in troubleshooting, optimization, and easy access to files by locating them on your folder easily. If you have like more than 100 or like more than 1,000 files, yeah, exactly, like that. And that's it with our Linux command series. Today we learned how to sort files, how to search files, and that's it. Thank you everyone, and see you on the next episodes of Linux commands.